How's it going, everybody? Forrest here. I'm ripping 8 boxes of 21-22 Prizm basketball for Ryan B. The 8 boxes, couple different SKUs here. You have a 21-22 Prizm basketball fast break, 4 of each of these, by the way, and a 21-22 Prizm basketball choice. We'll start with the 4 fast breaks and finish with the 4 choices. Ryan, thanks for the phone order, man. Let's see some Cade, Mobley, Barnes, Wagner, Giddey. Let's see them all, man. Big vets, maybe like a nice low number LeBron or Curry or Giannis.
They're slinging it.
Chiefs looking washed. Done. Disco Fearless, Bradley Beal, a Disco, Dennis Schroeder. Laker legend. Jonathan Kuminga, rookie base.
Celtic legend.
It's true.
I keep forgetting about Celtic.
Hawks legend.
Ugh.
Kai Jones, rookie fast break auto. Non-numbered with a Shai Gilgeous-Alexander disco. Scotty Barnes base.
Travis. Elements, Immaculate Collegiate, and Gold Standard, and a $10 Tuesday spot.
Ooh.
Travis.
Ooh. Feeling dangerous. Disco Prismatic, Jaylen Brown. A purple disco, Klay Thompson. Purple Clay, 27 out of 75. Cameron Thomas, rookie.
What's up, Trash? Dropping the Kirby emote, as always. Love it.
Silver Harrison Barnes, a disco, Terry Rozier. Sharif Cooper.
Yes, Richard, it went through. You're good. Good to go.
Cool. Disco widescreen, Nikola Jokic. A blue disco, Zion Williamson. Numbered Zion here, 136 to 150. I think he's going to have a big year.
Yes.
Greg Brown III, he looks primed to just...
Yeah, he looks like he's in very good shape.
And I'm just going to put the Pelicans in a playoff spot right away.
Yeah, I would say so. That seems good.
Lime green disco, Jeremy Grant. Low numbered, 2 of 5 on the Jeremy Grant. Bam Adebayo disco.
One of the most questionable head-scratching trades of the offseason.
Yeah. Zach LaVine, Prismatic disco, red disco, Royce O'Neal. 26 of 100. Jalen Green, rookie base. There's a Josh Giddey disco photo variation. Nice Giddey. Penny Hardaway disco. Mindset disco, Steph Curry, Dorian Finney-Smith disco, DFS, illegal in the state of Florida. Raiders on the first and goal from the 1. They run a pass play. Fireworks disco, Zion Williamson, Ravens legend.
Yes.
Blue disco, Kendrick Nunn. 39 of 150. All right.
I got to remind you to tell me that thing in the break. Do you remember what it was?
Yes. Okay. And I will tell you.
Yes. I'll remind you this time. I got sidetracked, I'm sure.
First thing over the 1, you probably run it on the first down, right? Like, I feel like that's the way to go on first down from the 1.
Run the ball.
Yeah. There it goes.
Josh Jacobs, a trade acquisition in our league.
That's true. Got a Luka Garza rookie fast break auto for the Pistons, which is Ryan B. Blue disco, DeAndre Hunter. 13 of 150.
Yeah, Richard, you're good. Your order went through. I saw you ordered the hobby Diamond Kings.
Guys, we're probably getting close to an hour on the queue here.
Ooh.
Disco Prismatic, Anthony Edwards, T-Wolves. Disco, Theo Maledon. Silver, Xavier Tillman. Red disco, Jamal Murray. 83 of 100. A Franz Wagner rookie. Yeah, I think all the autos should be sticker in here, kind of like they are in Prizm. Prizm Hobby. Disco widescreen, Damian Lillard. A Luka Doncic disco. Josh Giddey rookie base.
You're yelling over there.
Yeah, someone tell him to calm down.
Oh wow, you had a huge music.
Pink Bones Highlands.
Nice.
It's a little stuck to the card behind it. There. Nice Bones, 33 of 50. Pink Disco Bones, Blue Disco, Kenyon Martin Jr. 79 of 150. Fireworks Disco, Joel Embiid. Disco, Draymond Green. Herbert Jones, Toscano Anderson. Photo variation, this time is Chris Duarte. Eric Bledsoe.
Oh yeah, Travis. Oh yeah. Feeling big time dangerous.
PSA 9, number 128, select
Jokic.
Nikola Jokic worth. That sounds like a question for eBay, to be honest.
Yeah.
Disco Prismatic, De'Aaron Fox. Disco Dirk Nowitzki. I am not a price guide, unfortunately.
I wish. Love to be.
Yeah, 130point.com or eBay.
Yeah.
Fearless Disco, Devin Booker. Red Disco, Paul Pierce. 4 of 100, the truth. Bones Highland base.
Missed the trash can.
Pretty far away, though, so
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah. big reach there.
Low percentage shot from that distance. Fireworks Disco, Russell Westbrook. Disco, Tyrese Halliburton.
Uh, 130point.com, Travis.
130point.com.
Literally just copy your eBay search into the site and it'll come up with the eBay stuff. But the best offer price will be shown, what was accepted. It's very helpful, actually.
Silver Norman Powell. A Disco, Josh Richardson. Chris Duarte rookie. Disco Fearless, Steph Curry. Disco Enes Kanter. Bones Highland base. Chris Webber, Pink Disco. 18 of 50. Blue Disco, Miles Turner. 126 of 150. Fast break auto, Caron Butler.
Nice.
Ron Butler, Wizards variation there. Zach LaVine Disco.
UConn legend, Ron Butler?
Heat legend.
Yep.
Mavericks legend. Clippers legend.
Yep.
Fireworks Disco, Kevin Durant. Disco, Chris Webber. Widescreen Disco, LeBron James. Disco, Emmanuel Quickly. Fireworks LaMelo. Disco, Shake Milton. Prismatic Disco, Russell Westbrook. Red, Desmond Bane. Second year Bane, 90 of 100. Prismatic Chris Paul. Derek White Disco. Celtics legend. Joshua Primo rookie photo variation disco. Dalano Banton rookie disco. Mobley base. What 1 of 1 was it?
Oh, that was the one I pulled for you, right, Travis? Did you get that one? It was like the triple 1 of 1 patch auto, like shield tag and like like Nike swoosh or something out of Gold Standard. I don't know. It's such a hard one to comp, Travis.
Yeah.
Those 1 of 1s. I honestly, if you're selling it, I'd just throw it up at a price you'd be happy if someone paid for it. If not, just do
Some of the dual and triples must have sold, like the 49 or whatever.
Yeah.
So Silver Karl Malone. I'd probably like quadruple that price, maybe. Disco RJ Hampton for a card like that, I'd probably quadruple it.
Yeah.
It was book night. Maybe you list it higher than that and
Yeah.
see what happens because he's a rookie, so you never know.
Whenever I do that, I always list it at crazy prices. And just
Yeah, the market's still kind of forming, so.
Yeah, exactly. I think exactly.
Disco Mindset Steph, Disco Jalen Smith. Sticks. Pink, Donovan Mitchell. There's a pink followed by a blue every single time. 10 of 50. Blue rookie Juan Toscano Anderson, 58 of 150. Fast break auto, Jack Sikma.
Oh boy.
Disco Russell Westbrook Lakers. Yeah, everyone in chat was just talking about him, Vaughn. Talking about, remember Milos Teodosic? Me neither. That's what we were talking about. Disco Zach LaVine Prismatic. Disco Jalen Johnson rookie. Moses Moody rookie. Yeah, it's a much riskier hold, I think, though, Rory.
Yeah.
Disco Fearless Bradley Beal. Disco Patty Mills Nets, especially with a team like the Saints.
Yeah.
Davion Mitchell rookie.
But then it's like if they go out and, like, could you imagine if they go out and they tank and draft Stroud? Like,
Disco Prismatic Jaylen Brown. Xavier Tillman. Waddle and Chase are different because they just kept going at that rate. It's like Justin Jefferson did the same thing.
Yeah.
Disco Widescreen, Nikola Jokic. Red, Brandon Clark. 52 100, but it has been trending that way for receivers the past few years.
Yeah.
Cade Cunningham rookie. Not a ton of busts near the top of the draft recently.
Right. Yeah, it's been very soft. Like, it's almost like you're guaranteed to hit.
Fireworks Zion. Compazzo Disco. How many other Pro rookies 30 years old? Remember that dude that debuted for the Lakers a few years ago? He was like 32 or something.
Yeah.
Here's a Suggs rookie photo variation for the Magic. Ben Wallace. Ben Wallace. It's choice time. Let's see some big time hits in choice. Four of them here. All right, starting off. A couple silvers here. Rookie Juan Toscano Anderson and Nick Claxton. Tricolors. These are non-numbered. Ricky Rubio. Lou Dort. Eric Gordon. Another one here. Kessler Edwards rookie. 4 tricolor. That's an extra card then. Nice. A Davion Mitchell. Sensational signatures. Nice rookie auto. Paul Millsap on the blue. 19 out of 39. And a red. Wendell Carter Jr. 37 of 88.
Paul Millsap. Can't really find any like good data for you, Travis.
Silver Nikhil Alexander Walker. Silver Miles Bridges. Tricolors now. I was only 3 this time. Jordan Nwora. Ben Simmons. Drazen Petrovic. Red rookie auto Joshua Primo, non-numbered. Solid Mitchell rookie auto as well, or Mitchell and Primo now as well. Red Miles Bridges, 31 of 88. And a red rookie Jeremiah Robinson Earl, 22 of 88. All right, come on. Let's see something huge here.
Rory, I know you were in these last time. Rich just listed some Fanatics silver and diamond box breaks. I know you're in. I know you're in a couple of them. Check out the schedule if you're down again.
Silvers, Malik Monk, Evan Fournier. Pride of New York. Eric Bledsoe, tricolor. Joe Ingles. And Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. A red choice auto, Wang ZZ.
Nice.
Throwback. A legend right there.
Oh, dude.
Red to 88, Reggie Lewis. 27 of 88. And a blue, Jaylen Brown. 28 of 39. Nice bet there. We need a big rookie color here. Big time. I'm building up to it. All right, silvers. Josh Hart, Cole Anthony. Tricolor, Derrick Rose. Kevin Durant. And Jason Kidd. Red choice auto, Penny Hardaway.
Nice.
Penny. Got red, Jordan Clarkson, 5 of 88. And a green, nice color here, is Avery Bradley. Green, 1 of 8.
Celtics.
Avery Bradley. And that's going to do it, Ryan. Thank you again. We'll get all these cards out to you shortly.